Tired of Google Translate automatically translating pages in Google Chrome? Whether you're a language learner wanting to practice reading in a different language, or you simply prefer viewing content in its original form, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to turn off Google Translate in Google Chrome. Let's start. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your computer. After that, click on three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on Settings from the menu that pops up. Next, click on Languages from the left side menu. Here you will find the Google Translate feature. Just toggle it off. And from now on, Google Chrome will not automatically translate any websites. Easy, right? So guys, that's it. That's how you disable Google Translate in Google Chrome browser on your computer. If the video helped you out, smash that like button. Hungry for more Chrome browser related tips and tricks? Just subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!